Seven Sisters of India. Seven Sisters of India anti maichin hian India marchak state pasarih akoka anma niya mawina le danglambik na anneyani entirnan culture tradition le geography ati chuan an danglambik feka heng state te chungcha nga thil ngai nom tak tak som chu lentlang po sa hian I han thlir te ang umyang
Welcome to the Lintang Farm.
Pakhat na Assam tea industry awanga thlir Assam hian Khawvelin tea thaberber asiam chuak thin he state a hian Kaziranga National Park po a oma hi UNESCO World Heritage Site angai ki pakhat nei rhinoceroses omna hmuna hriatlo ani pani na Arunachal Pradesh he state hi Seven Sisters zinga alian bera namsang sang le tongsang sang anaya Arunachal Pradesh hian China nen international border anaya amun moi tak tak kabang hian aming thang hle a Rama Buddhist monastery lian ber pola tawong monastery po hi atel nge ani Pathumna Nagaland tribal culture le festival nung tak tak na yaming thang Nagaland hian December tha apiangin Hornbill Festival abot sai china heta hian naga namte namlam lam le kut na tho te phaulan ani
I'm gonna lock horns in the ring. It's past and present together. This is the Hornbill Festival!
Meat, which is part of Hornbill. So she tells me for 10 days, cultural troops from individual tribes perform in the central arena. But the unity dance brings all the tribes together in a singing and dance performance.
So when's the unity dance?
The festival will end on 10th of December.
On the 10th. A lot of rehearsal. You're on show all the time, so you're working hard.
Yeah,
you must
yeah.
practice this a lot.
Yeah, we have to practice there.
Palina, Manipur, cultural heritage how tak naya shiatlar Manipur hi jewel of India tia soi anifo.
Along the bountiful panoramic view, Zuko Valley is home to unique flora and fauna, flaunting beauty with scenic splendor. The mystical lake called the Loktak Lake, largest freshwater lake in the northeast. With the only floating national park in the world, the gods share the enchanting dreams with us. And we can see their overwhelming creation, where we bear witness to the skies kissing the surface.
Classical dance form.
With every touch, with every breath, with every sight, remarkable sight to behold, this land is a
Manipuri le Asia Rama Hmeichhe Chau Omna Market Lian Berpol Imphal Imakhaithal Mothers Market Mingthang Takawang Hian Amingthang He
The Ima Kaithal or Ima market is one of the most popular destinations, as it is known as the Asia's largest women's only market. Divided in 3 different buildings situated by the Imphal river, Ima Kaithal is definitely worth the hype, as it is a beautiful melting pot of Manipur where people from every corner come.
Pangana Mizoram He state hi tlang moi tak le kut nung tak naya shiatlar ani. Mizoram namdan anga bamboo dance chero tia kauchu culture performance lar tak ania he state hi ziak le chiar thiam na sang tak na ya shiat ani. Tripura he state hian history how tak le culture sang in som khom na aneya Shakti Pitha somnga pakhazi nga pakhat Tripura Sundari Temple hi pilgrimage mun lian tak ani. Tripura a hian nam sang le tong sang a ombok. pasarih na Sikkim natural landscape moi tak awanga hriatlar Sikkim hi Seven Sisters zinga chuan mihring tam na ber ani Khawvelin tlang sang ber pathum na Kanchenjunga omna ani Sikkim hi boruak hum halle organic farming lama ma alak na awangin hriatlo tak ani bok Pariatna geography Seven Sisters te hian ramri an nei thawa India marlam ramria an omawangin strategically an poimo hlom hle ani Siliguri corridor toy tak chicken snack tia soifo mangin ramdang nen anin zom ani Pakwana diverse cultures Unau nu pasarih te hian anma ni culture identity sang an nei thawa tong sang festival sang le namdan sang an nei hebial hi nam sang omna hmuna hriatlar ania indigenous tribe le community tam tak omna ani somna economic challenges and culture heritage how tak le natural beauty nei ma se Seven Sisters hian economic lama harsat na antoka chu infrastructure mason laule market alu theina tlem te hi ani amai ro chu sarkar le por sang te chuan heng harsat na te sut kian nan le an bial chunga mason na ti mason nan ma an lame kani heng state te hian anwain India marchak bial tapestry how tak te chu mu nom takin an mu thei ani Lentang post ilaw thlir awangin kan lo me